everyone, welcome to my video. Today I will introduce for you a website used for teaching. It's Nearpod. Nearpod is a completely free teaching tool. Teachers can use Nearpod to support student learning in a variety of ways, give students opportunity for interaction and immediate feedback by having them draw on a map or diagrams, respond to a poll question, put a note or image to a collaboration class, or take a multiple choice quiz. Nearpod is very useful and easy for teachers to use. Now I'm going to show you how to use Nearpod to create the lesson for students. Let's get started. The first step you need to do is access to Google or Chrome and search the website nearpod.com. And here is the interface of Nearpod. You can click on sign up for free to register or log in if you have account before. And of course today I will guide you creation for beginner teacher. So at here you click on sign up for free. As the registration interface, you enter the information requested by the system. You can sign up with Google or sign up with Office 365.
After successful registration, you will see the interface at here. I will introduce for you some functions of Nearpod. The first is My Library, which contains the teacher lessons, and the next is Report. You to report the lesson or report anything wrong in Nearpod. The three is Teacher Resource. It can be a question and answer, a new from Nearpod. And the fourth is Create a discussion and collaboration space. 5 is create the assessment test. The next is create remind bells, and here is a way you can create new lesson from Nearpod, Google Slides or create folder. And here's explore our lesson and S1 for free. And here is where you can create new lesson by your own. And to create a new lesson, we have two ways. The first is create new lesson according to the form, and two is create new lesson by your own. And now I will guide you to create a new lesson according to the form. So step 1, you click on here, explore our lesson and S1 for free. And here's a massive array of rigorous lessons for you to choose from. If you are interested in looking for free lessons, you can filter out on here for free or you would need to pay for. Here I will choose free. And you can also choose the filter lesson pay on subject area and grade area. There are many grades that you can choose based on your student. And you can also filter the lesson based on the type of resource that you are looking for. And here there are lessons suitable for your select from here. And you can choose a lesson you want to use. Or another option is to search for lesson in here. Okay, so I will choose a lesson, for example. This is the lesson designed for you, and you can click on review to preview the lesson. If you like it and want to use it to ask for the lesson, so next you click on Save. And it's also taught for the library, and now it's ready for you to use. Now we can go back on library. Yes, here is the lesson you choose. Okay, so it's the way you create a new lesson according to the form by choosing decided lesson. And next, I will introduce for you the way to create a new lesson by your own. The first step, you click on lesson in Nearpod here. Okay, as you can see, here is two options. The first is add slide. To create everything is new, or you can choose upload files to drag or drop any files from any resource on here. So here I will introduce you to create a new lesson by add slide. Okay, once you click on this, you will see many content types designed for you to choose. Videos like web content, Nearpod 3D, simulation, practice, PVC video, screen, slideshow, audio, PDF viewer, live Twitter stream. You can choose any content you want to use to make your lesson. If you choose video, okay, so in here you can upload your video you want to use to teach your student. You only need to, you can search video with YouTube, or you can upload from any resource here, and then you will select this to edit video on the lesson. Okay. If you choose slide, and there is the interface of slide content, and you can create everything you want for your lesson, from title, paragraph, or you can upload files as text, video, image, GIF. And after create your lesson, you need to click on Save and Exit to download your lesson to your library, and it's ready to use. Okay, and after you complete your new lesson, it will appear in here. Okay, so any option here you can explore by your own. I will introduce for you the next is activities you can choose to add to your lesson. There are many activities. It also is a game. It's time to clean. It is a time-based multiple choice format. Open-ended question, matching pairs, quiz, repeats, drawings, collaborate, who fill in the brain, memory stamps. This is a time to clean activity. You can add the question in here. For example, and here you can answer option. And you select which is the correct answer. And you can add answer from here to make more options. And after make the answer option, you can choose this. And this is done a question. Or if you need to assist anything, you choose Greek and this. You can ask more question here, more question, yes, and says. After edit, you continue to click on Save to save the activities. Okay. The next activity is open-ended question. I will show how you should interface appears. Okay. You can enter the question here. Anything, any questions you need to ask your student, and you can ask time here. For example, in 10 minutes. Okay. You can also add the media, video, or audio instruction by click on here, or you can enable student audio recording by click on here. And after 10 visits, you select this again. Okay, so the next activity is matching pairs. You can use this activity for students to practice live vocabulary and pairs. Okay. For example, okay, here you can upload your picture from your research, and you can search it directly on the Google. Yes, and it will show you many pictures. You can choose one. And select this. Okay. So you will have a first pair. Select done. Okay. You can add more pairs if you need. continue select them. And here you will give instruction. For example, give instruction of how students can do with these activities. And select save. Okay, and you will have many activities you can show for students. I will introduce more one activities. Quiz activity is the same for time to print, list read, drawings, color green spoon. Okay. Drawings. In here you will instruction. For example, draw a picture about your house. Or you can add your video or audio instruction by click on here, or you can write it in here, and you can add time for students to do this. And you can also upload background image by search on Google or upload from your device. Okay, and after that you also continue select steps to done this and click on steps to exit activity in the lesson. Okay, and there are some activities I can introduce for you, and you can easy to explore it by yourself. Okay, and now I will introduce for you how to use and solve the lesson in Nearpod. Okay. To save the lesson, you will need to add the lesson title. For example, English lesson. Here, description and text. For example, this lesson about animal, and you can express and subject here. Okay, and select text and exit to complete the lesson. Okay. So in my library, you will see your lesson in here, and to show it for students, you can choose the lesson on room. It means you need to connect with room X to show this lesson. So you will click on the right lesson to show the lesson, and you can trace your student progress on click here student page. Okay, this is the Nearpod course. You need to share it with your students so they can join a lesson. Click on what is. Okay. And there is activities you has installation. Here is the number of students. You can see who joins the class. Or here's you can ensure anonymity by hiding student name. And this is the arrow to move the next slide, and the student device will follow along. Okay, this is the lesson course. You can copy this course and save with your student. Your student will use this course to join the lesson through the nearpod.com website or Nearpod X. Here is where students enter the course to join the class. Okay.
And here is the interface of lesson shows. After share this course with your student, you need to wait your student join and start the lesson. Okay, so you can end your lesson in here. Okay. Okay, it's on for you to use the Nearpod to create your lesson. You can explore more interesting things in here by your own. I hope you will be interested in this website and you will use this for your teaching. Thank you.